Hi everyone, I have a really quick and easy Dollar Tree Christmas DIY for you today. Here's what you'll need if you want to make this quick and easy craft. I'm starting out by grabbing the little tea light, brushing it with Mod Podge and adding some green glitter all over it and waiting for that to dry. Next, I'm going to get the wooden dice and I'm going to paint them in green. I got these wooden dice at Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint all sides except the one that I know is going to be in the bottom. When I finish painting the wooden dice, I'm going to take the little wooden angel, which I have from before. I believe it came in a pack of 6. And I'm going to paint the little angel's body in gold. Then I'm going to add Mod Podge to the little wings and add glitter to them and wait for that to dry. I'm going to shake off the excess glitter and I'm done with him. Isn't he cute? He's so adorable. Next, it's time to hot glue the wooden dice together. Remember, I left one side without painting because it's going to be the bottom and you can't see it. So I'm going to hot glue 3 of them in the bottom, 2 of them in the center, and 1 of them in the top to make the form of a Christmas tree. I got these wooden dice at Dollar Tree, by the way, and I bought 2 packs. There was 3 to a pack. Now that I finished hot gluing the tree together, I'm going to have some fun decorating it, and I'm using these beautiful Christmas stickers that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to use a beaded necklace from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to cut the beads off and use those as ornaments and decorate the tree. I'm decorating the back as well because I want it to be nice on all sides. I'm also going to get the little angel and I'm going to hot glue it to the little tea light in front of the little flame. After I finished decorating the tree, I had a little wooden Christmas sign that I painted in gold. I added that to the bottom along with a square wooden red block that I used for the base of the tree. And then I hot glued the little tea light to the top, and here's what it looks like. I think it's really adorable. It's beautiful through all sides. I'll turn around and let you see what the back looks like as well. There's the Christmas sign with the square wooden block that I used for the base of the tree and the little angel, and it's also sparkly and beautiful. And here it is on my little table with some other Christmas decors that I have. I think it's really cute, and it was easy and inexpensive. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take good care. Hasta luego. Bye.